Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The error code P0741 for the 2022 Plus Honda Civic indicates an issue with the torque converter clutch (TCC) circuit. This code signals a problem when the engine speed does not match the input shaft speed while trying to engage the TCC, which should lock up under certain conditions. The Transmission Control Module (TCM) records this fault when it detects the expected response of the TCC is inconsistent. The TCC is a crucial component in the automatic transmission that helps improve fuel efficiency by locking the engine and transmission together under optimal conditions. By reviewing the diagnostic text, one can see that the TCM plays a key role in monitoring the transmission's operation, tracking performance metrics, and invoking necessary alerts or codes when discrepancies occur. Understanding this code will enable effective troubleshooting to resolve the issue efficiently. The P0741 error indicates that there is a mismatch between the engine speed and the input shaft speed. This discrepancy is typically detected when the torque converter clutch (TCC) is commanded to engage. The TCC operates within the transmission assembly. Thus, a failure in this area can lead to performance issues. Primarily, the abnormality means that the TCM is unable to achieve the expected level of torque transfer that the TCC should provide. The TCM, responsible for controlling the transmission's functions, plays a pivotal role in maintaining the proper functioning of the torque converter and its clutch. So when this error appears, it is essential to investigate both the torque converter itself and the associated electrical components, such as the shift solenoid valve B and CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve, to diagnose the cause effectively. Several factors may contribute to the DTC P0741. Firstly, a faulty shift solenoid valve B can prevent proper operation, leading to the inability to engage the TCC effectively. Additionally, the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve may malfunction, failing to allow the TCC to lock correctly. Problems with the valve body assembly, including the LC shift valve and LC control valve, can also play a significant role in this error code's emergence. These components are essential for fluid flow and pressure regulation within the transmission. Lastly, issues with the torque converter itself are critical, as they can hinder the TCC's performance and response. Addressing these potential causes is crucial in diagnosing the underlying problem related to this DTC. When DTC P0741 is present, several symptoms may be observed that signal transmission issues. First and foremost, there may be a noticeable loss of engine power, particularly during acceleration, as the TCC is not locking as it should. This can also lead to increased fuel consumption, as the engine operates less efficiently when the TCC is stuck off. Unusual shifting behaviors may arise, wherein the vehicle may exhibit jerky or harsh transitions between gears due to non-ideal torque converter operation. It's also common for warning lights, such as the check engine light, to illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential issue. These symptoms can significantly affect the vehicle's overall performance and driver experience. The first step in troubleshooting the P0741 DTC is to start the engine and allow it to warm up to normal operating temperature. This step is crucial because testing should be conducted under conditions that mimic actual driving scenarios. The normal operating temperature can be confirmed when the radiator fan runs twice. This indicates the cooling system is functioning correctly. Once the vehicle has reached the appropriate temperature, diagnostic tests will yield accurate results. Proper temperature ensures that the transmission fluid is at the right viscosity for accurate readings and functionality. Confirming normal operating temperature is essential to minimize errors during subsequent testing and to ensure that the vehicle's systems are performing under standard conditions. After confirming normal operating temperature, the next step is to conduct a test drive. During this test, it's vital to drive the vehicle at a speed of about 37 miles per hour for at least 1 minute. This part of the troubleshooting process is designed to put the vehicle under conditions where the TCC would typically lock up. Observing how the torque converter performs during this test is essential, as it helps to replicate the conditions under which the DTC was triggered. Pay close attention to any shifts or jerks that might occur, which can provide critical insights into how the transmission and the torque converter are functioning together. After the 1 minute mark, come to a complete stop and ensure the vehicle can smoothly transition without any abnormal sounds or sensations, indicating proper operation. Following the test drive, the next step involves bringing the vehicle to a complete stop. Once halted, turn the vehicle to the off-lock position, which is crucial for certain electronic resetting and testing procedures. After turning off the vehicle, it's important to repeat the same earlier steps, starting the engine, warming it up to the appropriate temperature, and test driving at approximately 37 miles per hour for 1 minute. Repeating these steps can help confirm whether the issue persists or if it's an intermittent problem. Noting any changes in behavior or error codes after repeating this process is vital to diagnosing the situation accurately. This step serves to reinforce the reliability of the initial test results and to check for consistent performance in any discrepancies noted. Final repair verification for DTC P0741 involves several essential steps post-repair. First, clear any stored DTCs using a diagnostic tool to reset the TCM's memory. After clearing, it's crucial to conduct another test drive under the same conditions previously used to recreate the fault. By doing so, you can observe whether the issues related to the TCC have been resolved. Additionally, checking the performance of the torque converter specifically is vital to ensure that it engages correctly and that the vehicle operates smoothly under various speeds and loads. This verification process confirms that the repairs made were effective and that the P0741 code does not return. Successful final verification ensures the integrity of the repairs and maintains vehicle reliability. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding issues like DTC P0741 in the future. Regular automatic transmission fluid changes are recommended to keep the system clean and functioning well. Over time, contaminants can build up in the fluid, affecting the performance of components like the torque converter and solenoids. Additionally, inspecting solenoid valves periodically will help catch any faults before they lead to larger issues. Monitoring both engine performance and transmission health through regular inspections can detect early signs of wear or malfunction, allowing timely intervention. Establishing a maintenance schedule involving these practices will enhance overall vehicle reliability and extend the life of the transmission system. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0741 and its implications for the 2022 Plus Honda Civic is essential for effective vehicle maintenance and repair. This error code reveals critical issues within the torque converter and associated components, and addressing it promptly can prevent further complications. Following the detailed troubleshooting steps provided ensures a systematic approach to diagnosing and resolving the issue. Furthermore, implementing preventive maintenance measures, such as regular fluid changes and inspections, can mitigate the risk of recurrence. Overall, a proactive approach to vehicle care enhances performance, safety, and longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.